How to fix the Walmart app not accepting card. First, double check your card information. Make sure your card number is correct, expiration date is correct, CVV code matches, and the postal code matches your bank exactly. Second, check if your bank blocked the transaction. I worked at a bank, and when people come in saying that something blocked their card or they can't make the transaction, a lot of the times it's because they disabled online payments in their banking app. At least in our bank, the online payments were off by default. Third is to remove and re-add the card. Corrupted saved payment data is common. Go to the Walmart app, go to Account, open Wallet or Payment Methods, then remove the card and then restart the app and add the card again. Fourth, make sure you have enough funds. Some banks decline transactions if the balance is too low, your spending limit is reached, or international processing fees trigger a decline. And last but not least, check for Walmart server issues. Sometimes Walmart payments stop working for many users temporarily. You can check Walmart Help Center or Down Detector and just type in the Walmart status. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.